Hello everyone, it's Sean. I'm back and I'm here to warming up the water so I can spray paint these parts. So those will be the silver, and the remaining parts will be the black, preferably the matte black. So you have the hood, you have the two bumpers, you have the dashboard with the steering nub covered, and you have the seats. So I'm going to focus on the seat backs first, and I'll do the seat fronts later if needed. And everything is in the box. So that's all for now, because I have to save room on the camera for Sean's toy room in the other room, where I'm going to be opening up some Star Wars figures. What I'm going to start doing is linking the 3 channels together. So in each video, in the description, I'll have the link to the Sean's Toy Room channel, which will be the, open up the action figures. And in the travel channel, I'll link to both the model channel and the toy channel. So try to do that and cross-flow the channels. So if there's anything of interest in the other 2 channels for people who are subscribers of one channel, it'll work. So now I'll come back when I've spray painted everything, and we'll see what it all looks like. You can see I have everything on the work mat right now, and those are the parts that are going to need, well, actually, there are the primer parts. Good, and these are the 2 halves of the windshield. As you can see, there's still plenty of gluing surface. I am thinking that I'm going to actually remove the connecting arm sections that broke off and just keep the windshield itself in each separate bag so that they don't get damaged. So here are the 2 connectors that broke off. So they may or may not be used into the box. Okay, so I'll come back when everything's spray painted. See you in what'll be a few seconds for you, but perhaps 20 minutes for me.